Canva Docs Page Break tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use and add some page breaks into your Canva document. So the process is very easy. You're going to head over to canva.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the dashboard like here. So we are going to type in doc, or we can go ahead and click on docs in here and create a new one. So I'm going basically here to select one of the docs that we have on Canva. So these are going to be templates that will help us put some docs or create some ones. So for example, I'm going to select a free one. I'm going to click on customize. So I need a little bit of content. I cannot go ahead and write some contents right away because I do not have the ideas. Also, it is going to be a waste of time to add the content. Now, how we can add the page breaks. So basically you are going to start writing some content, and in between or when you are going to click on a space that you want to add, for example, or put the cursor in, you're going to see this button or the plus button or the add in button, also called quick action button. You can go ahead and see it in here. So you can basically go ahead and put it wherever you want and click on it. So basically you are going to click on it and then you're going to search for something. We're going to type in page break. So we have the option of page break, or you can go ahead and click or press Control and Enter to set up the page break, just like this. And as you can see, I have put it for this one or the second paragraph. So from the second paragraph, I have clicked on it and it is going to have this page break. So I'm going to add this option or this page break also for this one. So I'm going to apply the shortcut of Control and Enter. And as you can see, I have put a page break for this one. So let's say that I want to put it on this one. So I can also have another shortcut, which is going to be the slash page break. And like this, I have created 3 page breaks, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So basically that was everything about the page break. You can go ahead and press Control Z and redo the process or delete it, as you can see here. So you can go ahead and put it wherever you want, just like that. This is just an example of it, and here we have it. Basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.